Hi, so today we will be speaking about cloud hosting. But wait, you must be thinking that cloud hosting is so complicated that you're gonna need a web developer or a webmaster to control your web hosting. But no, we are speaking about this new cloud hosting provider which provide managed cloud hostings. You do not need any command line knowledge or any technical skills to use this hosting. Even it's more simple than your traditional shared hosting. Just watch the complete video. I'll try to make this as simple as possible and to the point. So stick to the video and in the end you will be cloud hosting boss. Also, if you're new to my channel, I would love to tell you that in this channel I give a lot of important tips and tricks that how you can manage your website, how you can add useful functionality on a website. Not just this, that how you can make a website more faster and more secure. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I highly recommend you to do it right now. And like the video, it just take 1 second. And when you like the video, YouTube gonna promote this video and a lot of other people gonna be benefited by this video. And they can also learn all the useful stuff I'm teaching here on YouTube. But wait, now you must be thinking that why we need cloud hosting. In shared hosting, your website is hosted with so many other websites also on the same server. But when you have cloud hosting, it's only your website which is hosted on the server. So your website loads always super fast and it's more secure. So now I think you get the idea. A lot of people who host their website on shared hosting and they pay like 4 or 5 euros every month. In starting they give discount, but after they charge you like very crazy prices. And the same price you can get a cloud hosting, so why not? Even you can host unlimited website on the servers. Typically this hosting they start from like around $10 per month, but you can host more website also. Also they have promotion all the time, so I'll put the link in the description so you get the best discount which is running currently. I'll keep updating those links. Okay, so I'll proceed the video. You will thank me later that why you didn't know this before. So if you have shared hosting, move today to a cloud hosting. Why I'm making this video? Because I'm a person who like free things, and this hosting I'm going to show you, they give a free trial. So if you want to just test this website hosting, or you're just interested, or you want to learn about cloud hosting, you can just create your account, you get a free trial, just install some application there and see how it works. It does not take anything of you to create the free account and use this cloud host. Also let me know which hosting you are using currently and are you happy with it or no. So I'll go to my screen, I'll show you how you can get this free trial of cloud hosting, and I'll show you how you can install WordPress application on this hosting also. So this is Cloudways hosting. There are 5 major cloud hosting providers. They have DigitalOcean, they have AWS, they have Vultr, they have Google Cloud, they have Linode. And you can install any PHP applications like WordPress, Magento, Drupal, Joomla, or any custom PHP applications also. You can install everything in like minutes. Also, there's some benefit. You can see here there are 5 cloud providers. You can install or you can host multiple websites on one server, and all PHP applications are supported. They're very innovative control panel. It is not like the usual cPanel. It's even better than that. They have 24/7 365 support. I personally really like their support because I'm sure you have this experience with your web host. You tell them something and they're gonna come with the excuse and they take a lot of time. But their support is really very technical and they're very highly qualified. Every time I present them a problem, they come back with a solution. They don't just give me excuse that I need to hire a developer to solve this. So this is really nice. And then they have managed security, automated backups, and 24/7 real-time monitoring. And then also this is scalable servers. For example, if you sign up for a 1 GB server and you host like 2-3 websites, in future your website need more server, high resources, you can always scale them. You can choose from 1 GB to 2 GB to 4 GB and so on. So this is really nice. You do not need to worry about the future of your website also. And you have free trial, so why not just give it a try. And then I'm gonna click on start free trial from here. Enter name, email ID and password. And then I would best describe myself. Just choose any option. Blogger. Monthly spending is. They just ask you for a rough idea. And then they will ask you promo code. So check the description of the video. I will update these codes all the time. So right now code is CA20, but check the description of the video if you want the real code. I agree to the Cloudways terms and service. And then click on start free. Okay. Now they say welcome to Cloudways. To activate your account, please contact verification team at av@cloudways.com. Once your account is activated, you will be able to log in and start your free trial. So this hosting, they're receiving a lot of customers, so they're very high volume, and because they give free trial. Okay, so sometime what happened, the people are not serious, they really want you to contact to them. Just send the email, from the email you sign up and they're gonna activate your account. And I think it doesn't take anything. You get a free trial and you can test your website before really going with them. Once you send the email, you will receive a confirmation that your account is activated. Once your account is activated, go back to cloudways.com and then click on login, enter username and password and then login. So once your account is activated, you'll go back to their website and you log in. And as you can see on my screen now, they will ask you a server to install. You have like 5 choices here: DigitalOcean, Linode, Vultr, AWS, Google Cloud. For this video I'm gonna tell you 1 GB, and 1 GB is sufficient. If you are having a one website, or I think for 3 or 4 website also 1 GB is sufficient. If you are not having a big load on your website, it's sufficient. You can run multiple website on 1 GB server. And then you need to select location. I suggest you to choose nearest location from you. For example, if my website is based in Europe, I'll choose London. If it's in America, I'll choose San Francisco. In Asia, I'm gonna choose Singapore or Bangalore. So for now, I'm gonna choose London. And then you need to click on launch now. And as you can see on the screen now, you have free $20 of free credits and save in your invoice. If you can invite your friends also, you can copy from here and you can send this link. If somebody sign up, you will get 20 euros also. Okay, so you can see here they are adding the server. Your high speed application will be ready in approximately 7 minutes. So in 7 minutes your hosting will be ready. It was so simple to create a managed cloud server. It was very simple. It took me like literally 2 minutes to create this server. You can see on my screen, your trial will expire in 3 days. Did you see I did not register my credit card anywhere? You can also use this account for practice for 3 days. You have 3 days. You can decide if you want to stay with this hosting or not, or you just want to just explore this hosting. You have 3 days, and after you just choose if you want to go with this hosting or not. You can just learn it and don't use it after. Make sure you check the link from the description so that you get the best discount on this hosting. If you choose to go with this hosting, you can upgrade your plan. It's $10 per month. And this hosting is super fast hosting. And I think that it is better to pay like 5-6 euros in shared hosting. You can pay 10 euros here and you will have a super fast website, and you will get all the other benefits which comes with the cloud hosting. If you already have a hosting with some shared host, you can just ask them, they will do the free migration for you. You're switching to a better hosting and all the migration will gonna be free. Okay, as you can see on my screen, our server is ready, your cloud server is ready, and now we are ready to install our WordPress, Joomla, or host any custom website on the server. If I toggle this one, it will show me the application on my server, because while creating the server I choose WordPress, so it is already installed here. So I just click on this application, it will take me to my WordPress website. You can see here they say add unlimited WordPress website on one server with no limitation. This will save you your hosting cost, as we charge per server, not per website. So you can see here you can host multiple websites also. There is a guided tour. Once you will go to your application, you just need to click got it, and they will show you all the important things. You get a free SSL here and the free backups here. This is a WordPress website application URL. Just click on this link. You see, in like few minutes we just installed a server and we installed WordPress also. So this is not like traditional cloud hosting. This is very easy and simple to use. So we'll go back. If you want to log in, you just need to click here, and then you need to copy your username, then copy your password, and then paste it here, and then click login. This is our website backend. So you see, it was so simple to install this, and I'm going to show you that how fast this website is. So we'll go back really fast to tools.pingdom.com, and I will add this URL, and because I choose the server from London, so I'm gonna choose London here. I'm gonna start test. You can see here our WordPress loading in half second, 538 milliseconds. I know this is basic website, but still the speed is very nice. I use this personally for all my websites, and I'm sure you will not be disappointed by this hosting. So this is how you use a modern cloud hosting with the modern interface. It will be a good step if you want to upgrade your website game. So I hope you like the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do it right now. And like the video, because if you like the video, this useful video can be reached to a lot of more audience. So they all can be benefit with this video. So if you like the video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. See you in another video.